Let's discuss further in detail about the and het woorden and what kind of an impact do they have on different vraag woorden. For example, if we have got welk of, we can also say welke, which means which one, and we have elke or elke, every one. And then we have got ieder of idere. Elke or elke means each, and ieder of idere or idere means everyone. Now, when do we use welk and when do we use welke? When do we use elke or elke? And when do we use ieder of idere? So, we go back to our the word and the het wordens. By the word, we use welke, idere, and elke. For example, if we have got the jongen, then if we want to ask which boy, then we ask welke jongen. If we want to say each boy, then we say elke jongen. Every boy, iedere jongen. And with the het word, we use welk, ieder, and elk. For example, if we have got het house, then we will ask welk house and say elk house and iedere house. For example, we can say welk house is mooier. Which house is more beautiful? But we will ask welke jongen is beter. Which boy is better? So, once again, I would like to tell you that you need to remember the het woorden and the woorden. Or if you just do the practice and speak a lot of touch, then they will come natural to you.